Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is for water sign. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, pasuyo na lang po ng subscribe button. Pa-click na lang notification bell. At sobrang ko pong ma-appreciate yung inyong comment. Kahit po heart lang smileys. Pero maganda rin na ma-share niya sa akin kung nakaka-relate kayo sa pinaka-reading. And masayang-masaya na po ako niyan. And please do follow me on TikTok. May mga content ako doon na maaaring magustuhan mo rin. Let's start for the sign of water sign. For the sign of water sign. Wait lang guys. Okay, for water sign please. Page of Swords. Six of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with the Page of Swords. Okay. I feel like meron kang kina-cut off na someone in the past. Pero itong person na to is parang naghihintay pa rin. Gusto niya magbigay ng offer sa'yo. Ay, marami siyang gustong ibigay. Marami siyang offer na gustong ibigay. Or pwedeng naibigay or nasabi na niya yon, pero parang wala ka pakialam. Anyway, kunin natin yung energy ng person na ito. The Five of Cups and the Five of Pentacles is here. I feel like namomblema itong person na ito regarding something. Either namomblema siya sa pera, or nalulungkot siya, nasasaktan siya kasi parang feeling niya hindi siya welcome sa'yo. This person, gusto ka talaga niya with the Seven of Cups. Nagde-daydream siya about you, or pinipilit niya maging best version ng sarili niya para makapag-offer siya ng something sa'yo, or may maibigay siyang something sa'yo. This person, yan. The Ace of Cups is here. Mahal ka talaga niya eh. Kaya lang, maybe, hindi, I'm feeling like gusto niya talagang i-offer itong bagay na ito sa'yo, or mga bagay na pinaghirapan niya. Something to do, yung iba something to do with money. Yan. This person wants to offer you marriage. Wants to offer you pwedeng gusto niya mag-offer din sa'yo ng pakikipagtulungan or partnership. Some of you gusto niya mag-offer or magsabi ng advice sa'yo. This could be a soulmate. Emotion mo para sa taong to. Pwedeng nagagalit ka, pero at the same time, hindi mo ma-let go or hinahayaan mo na lang. Two of Pentacles is here. May mga pinapriority ka ngayon eh. Iba sa inyo pwedeng minahal mo siya, or kung hindi siya yung mahal mo, there's a person who has a very toxic energy. Ang pwedeng ito yung mahal mo, gusto mong makakonect or makarelasyon. So pwedeng Kaya ayaw mo dito sa person nito or kaya ka umiiwas sa kanya. Yung iba pwedeng may relationship na with that toxic person. So, ito yung pinafocus mo, ito yung pinapriority mo. Emotion na taong ito para sa'yo. Take only what resonates, guys. Yeah, this could be a soulmate. Queen of Cups, like what I've told you, mahal ka nitong taong to. Pero nakikita niya kasi walang movement na nangyayari sa connection ninyo. So, yeah. This person, hindi naman siya nagmamadali. Actually, kung kailan ka ready, then so be it. You know? Hindi siya nagmamadali. Kung kailan ka ready. This person is taking his or her time. Diba? Nag-aano lang siya, nagpo-focus sa kanyang development, financially. Future for you and this person. Knight of Wands. The Wheel of Fortune and the Hangman. Okay. Nakita tayo ng malaking bagay malaking pagbabago regarding sa bagay na hinihintay mo. Maybe something is going to end and might be it has something to do with sa mga bagay na nakakapagpalungkot sa'yo. Malapit na matapos ito. And may mga plano with regards sa friends that could help you na makapaggawa ng decision in the future. Or regarding a new beginning, pwedeng makatulong itong communication mo with these friends or group of people. So, ayan. The Empress is here. I mean, this is your energy. Hindi ko naramdaman yung energy ng person mo. Kasi you are focusing on yourself, focusing on your future, focusing on your money. Pwedeng may mga bagay kang pag-iipunan. Or, money is coming with the Ten of Pentacles. I can see this as like money from government or money from loan tax, ganon. Money from other people na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. And, yeah, pwedeng some of you ito yung makapagpabago ng buhay mo. Mas magpo-focus ka sa money in the future eh. Yan, regarding sa mga problema mo, nakikita natin na maaaring matapos na ito kasi may mga taong tutulong sa'yo. Ayan, the Temperance is here. Ace of Wands. I can see new beginning for you in the near future. And skills na maaaring matutunan mo or ma-develop mo pa. Yan, I can see a friend or a person who is going to help you with regards to new beginning mo in the future. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.